Have you ever stopped to wonder why managing your money matters so much? Picture a world where you're in control of every penny, every dime, every dollar. A world where financial stress is a distant memory and monetary freedom is your everyday reality. Here at JP Finances, you will be taught all the necessary tools. That's the power of personal finance. Personal finance is the art and science of managing your money. It's about understanding how money works, how to earn it, save it, invest it, and grow it. From creating a budget to investing for retirement, personal finance covers a broad range of topics that all contribute to your financial health. The first step to mastering personal finance is creating a budget. A budget is a financial plan that helps you track your income and expenses. It allows you to identify where your money goes and where you can make adjustments to reach your financial goals faster. Next, we delve into the importance of saving. Saving is not just about putting money aside, it's about cultivating a mindset of financial security and preparing for the unexpected. It's about building a safety net that can catch you when life throws a curveball your way. We then venture into the world of credit. Understanding how credit works and how to use it responsibly can open doors to opportunities like owning a home or starting a business. But beware. Misuse of credit can lead to a cycle of debt that's hard to escape. Debt management is another crucial aspect of personal finance. It's about knowing how to handle your debts, how to prioritize them, and how to pay them off in a way that doesn't cripple your financial stability. Investing is the golden key to growing your wealth. It's about making your money work for you, even when you're asleep. It's about understanding the power of compound interest and how it can turn your small savings into a substantial nest egg. Long-term financial planning is the final piece of the puzzle. It's about setting financial goals and creating a plan to achieve them. It's about looking ahead and preparing for your future, be it buying a house, funding your child's education, or planning for retirement. To wrap up, personal finance is a journey towards financial freedom. It's about taking control of your money, making informed decisions, and steering your financial future. It's about understanding that every financial decision you make today has an impact on your tomorrow. It's about empowering yourself with the knowledge and tools to build a secure and prosperous future. At JP Finances, we believe that financial education is the key to achieving financial freedom, and we are here to help you achieve it.